Hey everyone, it's February 10th. Got the morning market rundown here. Let's dive into this price action. So we got this previous trading day. I guess they would call this a bearish engulfing candle, but we are closing down to the year-to-date VWAP high. We held above this 598.63 VP node, which is also the VWAP from the low this year. So this is a key level, this 598.63 area. And if we break under this, then maybe we might see some further potential profit taking. So as of right now in the pre-market, we're gapping up, trading above the 602.50 VP level. So that's going to be a key level of interest right there. And we'll be monitoring to see if we hold this VP node and get back above that 2 and 3 day VWAP, and then potentially fill back up to the 608. But we've been getting up in this area, and every time we get in here, we get shut down. So maybe we could pull back up in here, build some more energy to break back above, and then get that new high, and then come out of this pattern of lower lows and lower highs that we're starting to see. So this could be potentially a rally to a new high, pulling back up in here. And if we get this strength, that's when we can see that nice continuation. We got the 607.64 daily R1 as a key level here. So ideally, price pulls back just a little bit into this 2-day VWAP, maybe into this 602.50 VP node, gets back above the 2 and 3 day VWAPs at 603.97, trades into 605.19, into the 607.64, let the dust settle, let it dance, and then that could be the launch pad to break into a new all-time high. If this price action doesn't play out, and or maybe we just trade right into it and get going. And the final scenario I'll be monitoring is if we do get this pullback, rally up, and instead of reclaiming this VP, we start to reject from failed move comes fast moves. So we could break last week's week-to-date VWAP here at this 666 level, and then potentially trade back into that that election VWAP here at 595.61 over in here. So we got to monitor this VWAP low, where we could see we have this VP shelf right here. So potentially this could be a bounce level there as well. And we could see something like this, maybe undercut it and then start to break back above. So that could be a potential scenario as well. Going on to the QQQ. Mapped out some scenarios from last week. We're looking for this pullback in here to push up. We got a mapped out scenario that we're looking for it to pull back into that week-to-date VWAP, rally back up and a go. And also to see if it pulled back and didn't reclaim, would it continue to fall? So let's clear up these annotations and get back into today. So on the daily time frame, we closed above this previous VWAP high, and now we're gapping up here. So we'll see if on this 30-minute chart, if price wants to pull back to that 2-day VWAP, back into this VP level, maybe even see that week-to-date VWAP consolidate and then get going. Or does price action, do we just start to rip today here, reclaim, get back up into 532, maybe get back up into the push to the 540 level over the upcoming days, and the potential scenario to see if we pull back, reclaim this VP, and then fail. Watch for that break of last week's VWAP, for that pullback into this 516 area, that election volume weighted average price at 516.60. So hopefully this was helpful. If you like this, please like and subscribe.